Piny owacho singo mar ng'wono ne jokuoge mag jamni e gwenge mag keyo ma biro chwalore ne tendo bila kendo duoko bunde magin-go ataro mar chik. Ka oloso e kaunti ma Elgeyo Marakwet, jatend migawo mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen oyango ni maromo bunde 1,000 oseduoki e gwenge mag hoho mar Okak e kinde ma bunde maromo 10,000 sirkal dhi nyime gi manyo.
Instead of waiting for the police to come and look for you, present yourself. Yeah? And if you have not committed any offense but you had an illegal gun, that one we are not going to charge you. If you present yourself and say, forgive me my sins, here is an illegal gun I have left that life. In fact, we will go a step further to take you to college, to Usome, you know. Lakini, if you are a criminal and you know you are on the run and you know you have committed an offense, the safest place is police station. Just present yourself to a police officer and tell them that I am a suspect, I was being sought. You go to court, you prove your innocence, and you will be safe. If you are sentenced for 10 years, 15 years, you will come back alive than to keep on running around with the police officers. It is safer.